Guys, welcome to another episode of Dave Doc DIY. This week we are going to be doing a DIY install of the Dude Wiper 1000. This is going to be a very quick video, so don't worry, we're going to get it over and done with because that is how easy this is to install. Make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. I got plenty of other reviews and DIY videos if you want to check out my other stuff. Thank you. Let's get this open and installed. I love that Dude Wipes always bring some humor into their packaging. You've got Poop Destroyer, Toilet Paper Eliminator, and then on the back here you're going to see what the bidet looks like with its dual nozzles, targeted butt spray, refreshing wash, and then here's what the install looks like on the side. Fresh out of the package, you can see that our bidet here comes nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. Everything was in good shape, and here we have a nice braided hose and a nice metal T that is used for this. What's nice is I've seen a lot of other bidets where that T is made out of plastic. This is nice sturdy metal with a braided line. All you're going to need is a screwdriver and a pair of pliers or an adjustable wrench. I don't have my adjustable wrench. I don't have my tools. These are two tools that I had laying around the house, and this is what I'm going to use. First thing I'm doing is getting the toilet seat pulled off. I got it cleaned up, and here you can see there are adjustable slots where your bidet mounts. They say you want to have it mounted back as far as possible and to line it up with the middle of the toilet. And it's as simple as me just putting the toilet seat right back over once I'm lined up with my slots. It's on. Now all I'm going to do is shut off the water here. What you should do after you shut your water off is flush your toilet to make sure you don't hear that water filling back up. That's how you know your water's turned off. After that, we're going to disconnect our water line and get our T installed. The T comes with a rubber washer inside of it. They actually give you an extra one in the box. You can put Teflon on. I personally chose not to put Teflon on, but you can. It comes with Teflon. After we get our T put onto the toilet fill valve, then we're going to put our nice little 3/8 braided line on here. And I'm going to use that braided line to help me tighten up that T just a little bit more. Here I'm hand tightening the toilet supply on, and I always like to give it a little extra turn with the pliers after I hand tighten it. Don't go crazy. And this is where you're going to connect. You can see it has a check valve, so none of that water is going to go back. I'm going to tighten this up. I'm not going to go too crazy because it is metal to plastic. Don't go crazy tightening it up. You'll know when it's tight enough. You can see it's in off position here, and let's turn the water back on. Make sure it's not on when you're turning that water back on. Always satisfying peeling these plastic covers off, and now we're going to test it out. I like to cover the toilet seat with a plastic bag, and what I'm going to do here is turn the dial on and make sure everything's functioning right, nothing's leaking, and as you can see, it is working. The spray starts off with a cleaning nozzle function, and then it goes into the spray. Let's test it out. Alright guys, here it goes. My first bidet experience. I get it. I get it. Yes. Alright guys, and there it is, the Dude Wiper 1000. If you're interested in it, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. Super easy to install. Anybody can do it. You do not need to be a plumber to install one of these. Any homeowner can do it as long as you follow the simple instructions that come with it. It does also come with a warranty, so it's a trustworthy product. I've never used a bidet before. Today was the first time. I've installed a ton of them for people. Everybody tells me they're the best thing in the world. After using one today, I kind of understand why. That's a wrap on Dude Wiper 1000. I'm a fan of it. Dave Doc DIY. I got plenty more plumbing instructional videos coming, DIY videos. Stay tuned. See you next time. Dave Doc DIY.